Do Stoics believe in God? It depends on how you define God. For the Stoics, God wasn't a person in the sky watching over you. It was nature, reason, or the logos, the rational structure of the universe. Zeno, Epictetus, and Marcus Aurelius all referred to a divine order. They believed the universe was organized and governed by reason, not randomness, not chaos. Marcus often addressed this logos in his writings, almost like prayers, not for miracles, but for strength to act rightly. He said, "Live in agreement with nature." That doesn't mean running barefoot in the woods. It means aligning your actions with the natural flow of life, accepting what you can't, living with virtue, and acting from reason. The Stoic view of God isn't about belief, it's about behavior. Whether you believe in God or not, what matters is whether you live a life of purpose, integrity, and resilience. If you want to call the universe God, or fate, or nature, it doesn't matter. What matters is how you live inside it. So yes, Stoics believed in God, in the sense of order, in the interconnectedness of all things, and in the wisdom of accepting life as it unfolds. It's not about worship. It's about alignment. Live in harmony with nature, and you won't need to fear what's ahead. You'll walk with it, fully aware and fully free. Subscribe for more timeless Stoic principles.